Following India's independence in 1947, the nation held its first democratic elections in October 1951 under the provisions outlined in the Constitution adopted on 26th of November 1949. Despite initial skepticism from the global community, given the concerns surrounding the involvement of illiterate voters, the potential proliferation of the communism, and the logistical intricacies of orchestrating such an immense electoral endeavor in a recently independent nation, the inaugural elections garnered acclaim from the foreign press. Looking ahead, India is presently approaching the culmination of its 18th general elections in 2024, reaffirming the enduring legacy of democratic governance in the world's most populous democracy. In today's video, we'll learn about the evolution of the political scenario and general elections in India. In the 1951-52 general election, approximately 61% of the eligible voters cast their votes. The Indian National Congress emerged victorious in this historic Lok Sabha election. However, there was a significant change in the 2014 and 2019 elections, with the Bharatiya Janata Party securing clear majorities, signaling the emergence of a new political force in the Indian politics. Over the years, voter turnout has been steadily increasing, reaching approximately 67.4% in the 2019 general elections, indicating the sustained enthusiasm and involvement of Indian voters in the democratic process. In the 2019 general election, women voted at higher rates than men for the first time in history. The representation of women in the Lok Sabha has been a topic of discussion and progress over the years. Following the 2026 delimitation, the number of female members in the Lok Sabha is expected to increase from the current 82 to 181, with 33% of seats reserved for women in the state assemblies as well. Additionally, the Shompen tribes, a community belonging to the particularly vulnerable tribal groups of the Great Nicobar Island, participated in the electoral process for the first time recently. There have been a few controversies and changes, like the electoral bonds, which have been a method of funding for the political parties in India since their introduction in 2017, have faced criticism for violating the right to information, enabling backdoor lobbying, and potentially involving shell companies. In February 2024, the Supreme Court struck down the bonds as unconstitutional. Since their introduction in 1999, electronic voting machines have significantly improved the efficiency of the voting process and decreased instances of electoral fraud, despite ongoing apprehensions about potential tampering. In a recent decision, the Supreme Court of India dismissed requests for full cross-verification of votes cast through EVMs with a VVPAT. So India's steadfast commitment to democracy persists despite various challenges including vote buying, vote capturing, caste-based voting, and the concerning financial assets and criminal records of the elected representatives. This commitment is exemplified through peaceful transitions of power and the active engagement of the citizens.